Go into the Pro Stitcher tab, select the Move option, and once that's selected, arrows will appear on the bottom right giving you different directions to move the machine in. Simply select the direction for the machine to quilt towards. Click right to make the machine start quilting to the right. It can also quilt at a diagonal by selecting the diagonal arrow in any direction. Then select it to go back down, and now this time up to the right diagonally. Then press it again to stop or select the stop button.